Okay, here is this Hermes rocket I wanted to put online. This is currently being listed on eBay. Some of the pictures didn't come out very well, but I just want to show you a few things. A few paint chips right there. As I spin the machine, you can see that this is in very good condition. Platen knob on the left hand side is intact. And here is the back. And let's see, on the right hand side, let's see, the platen knob here, I had it glued on the inside by a technician. That is a hairline crack, but it has not gone all the way through, he told me. And it's completely functional. And the bottom, let's see. There's a look at the bottom. And let's spin it around here. And I'll load the paper. I'll even use the right knob here. Nice and easy to load the paper. And let's see. Alright, sorry that took so long. Typing with one hand isn't as easy as it seems, but here is the typeface. As you can see, the machine functions just fine. You have one single space, 1.5 space, and 2 space. Right now it's currently set on 2. Good ding. Overall, it's a great machine, and I certainly am not looking forward to putting it up on eBay, but I have to. But thanks for looking, and good luck.